everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. I am recording this makeup look, so if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. I like to start with my eyebrows. I prefer to do my eyebrows before my foundation because I feel like it makes the eyebrow pop a little bit more. And I am using the spiked eyebrow pencil from MAC. And I like to draw a line at the bottom and then a line at the top, and then I fill it in. And then I get my spoolie and I brush through the eyebrows. This helps the eyebrow look a little bit more natural. And now I am going to clean it up with my concealer. I am using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW40. And I like to bring that down to my lid, and this will serve as an eyeshadow base. And I did the same to the other eye. And I also clean up the top, but I use a darker concealer. I use a concealer a little bit closer to my skin tone because a brighter concealer just looks too bright. And then I use my Morphe palette, a lighter shade in the Morphe palette, and I use that to set the concealer. And I use a burgundy color in the same Morphe palette, Morphe 350M, and I put that in my crease and I just blend that in. And then I get a darker eyeshadow color in the Morphe palette. I put that in the outer V, and I bring that a little bit more into the crease to make the crease a little bit more defined and darker. Now I am using my MAC concealer to clean up my lid. This will actually help the eyeshadow pop a little bit more. And I am using two eyeshadows today. I'm using the MAC Orb in Satin and also Expensive Pink. And I'm going to just tap those two colors on my lid. And now I'm just using a mascara. I'm using They Are Real Benefit mascara. And I'm going to line my eyes, and I am using the Duo eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It is so dark and so easy to use. Y'all know how hard it is to get the wing liner, right? Still trying to get that wing right. And now my lashes, I am using the Divine Lash, and this is in Lucinda. I'm just going to press that with my natural lash. And now I'm going to prime my face. I'm using the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base Primer, and I just put that all over my face. And I am going to color correct. I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange, and I'm going to put that on the dark spots on my face and blend that in. And I like to color correct because it helps me use a lot less concealer and a lot less foundation. And now I'm using the Huda Beauty fauxfilter High Coverage Cream Foundation in the color Cinnamon. And I am putting this on my neck as well because I like my neck and my face to match, to have the same tone. And now I'm going to highlight, and I'm using the MAC Prolonged Wear Concealer. And this is in the color NT45. And I'm just putting this in the high points of my face, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin. And then I'm going to spray my beauty blender with my setting spray, and then I am just going to start blending that all in. Still blending. And now I'm going to set, and I'm setting with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I don't like to bake for too long, so I just put the powder and I wipe it off. And now I am going to line my under eye. And now I am going to smoke my under eye out, and I'm using the Morphe palette, the brown shade I used in my crease earlier, and the burgundy shade. And I'm just going to use that to smoke out my under eye. And now I'm going to go in my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I am using the highlighter shade, and I'm going to highlight the inner points of my eyes. And use my mascara. Now I'm going to contour, and I'm using the Slick Contour Kit and in the color Dark. And I'm going to contour my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and just blend that in. Blend, blend, and blend. Now I am going to use my blush, and I'm using this pink blush from MAC. I'm not sure the actual color of this, but I'll put it in the description box. Just put that on the rows of my cheeks. Put some color back on the face. And now I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. And I am going to highlighting with the matte gold deposit. And just put those in the high points of my cheeks, my nose, the bridge of my nose, a little bit of my forehead and my cupid's bow. And now for the lips, I am lining my lips with the MAC lip liner in Chestnut. And I'm going to line it a little bit dark today because I am going for bold lips, so I'm going to line it darker than I normally do. And I'm just blending that together to get rid of the harsh lines. And now I am going to be using this lip color by Too Faced in Melted Matte in the color Drop Dead Red. And I'm just going to put that all over my lip. And I decided to ombre this out a little bit. I used the Too Faced Melted Latex in the color Hopeless Romantic. Next, we're going to fix the hair. And this is actually a wig, guys, but it is a beautiful wig. This is from Outre, and this is the Outre Dominican Curly in the color DR30, and it's so soft, it's so beautiful, it almost feels like human hair even though it's not. And this is the makeup. And I decided to darken the lip a little bit. I wasn't really feeling the ombre look, and I just added a little bit of the Too Faced Melted Matte Drop Dead Red lipstick. And this is the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell next to it so whenever I post a video you will get notified. Thank you so much again, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.